In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaMask as a hot wallet. A hot wallet is a wallet that stays connected to the internet so you can move funds quickly for everyday transactions. It's great for convenience, but remember it's best practice to keep only spending money here and store long-term holdings in a more secure offline wallet. Start by heading to the MetaMask portfolio site in your browser. You'll land on a clean dashboard that shows your assets and tools. Take a moment to make sure you're on the official MetaMask domain and that your connection is secure. On this page, look for the Move Crypto button. This is your starting point for getting funds in or out, and it neatly gathers options for buying, swapping, and bridging. Choose Buy. This routes you to MetaMask's buy flow, where trusted providers can help you purchase crypto using methods like a card or bank transfer, depending on your region. Here you'll see quotes, estimated fees, and the network the purchase will land on. It's normal to see small differences between providers. Pick what suits your budget and timing. Enter the amount you want to purchase. For daily use, choose a token that fits your needs. For example, you may want a stable asset for spending or a native token like ETH for gas fees on the Ethereum network. Keep an eye on the network selection, because the asset and chain you choose will determine the fees you'll pay when you later send or swap. When the quote looks right, go ahead and confirm by selecting Buy. You'll complete the purchase with the provider, and after processing, your balance will update in the portfolio. Now, open a new browser tab and search for the MetaMask extension in the Chrome Web Store. You're looking for the official listing with the MetaMask name and branding. Click the listing to open the extension page, then select Add to Chrome. Your browser will show a small confirmation prompt explaining the permissions. Click Add Extension to finish. The extension will install and you'll see the MetaMask Fox icon appear near your browser's toolbar, ready to use as your hot wallet companion for quick access and transactions. That's it. You visited the MetaMask portfolio, used Buy to add funds for everyday use, and installed the MetaMask extension so your wallet is handy while you browse. A few final tips to keep you safe and efficient. Always verify the website address before interacting. Understand the network you're on so you're prepared for gas fees, and keep only what you plan to spend in your hot wallet. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using MetaMask with confidence.